Welcome to Bag Hanging by BC Bushcraft. First thing you want to find a stick, 3 to 5 inches in length. Next you'll want to struggle with your camp saw. Then ever so skillfully cut down stick to the appropriate working length. Next you'll want to grab your gimlet, or maybe in this case your super advanced modern day hand drill because it's not 1912. With said hand drill you'll now want to drill a hole in the center. Pause for room tone. That should kind of explain the fuzz, not the audio issues. So you're going to drill your hole big enough through the center to pass through. We're getting to that part. Oh, there we are. Okay, there's that clip. Pass through your paracord or whatever cordage you're using. Now that you're through, you're going to want to struggle tying the simplest of overhand knots. You can do it. There you go. There you go. There you go. Tight overhand knot. Works as a stopper against the stick. Now with your running end, take and make a bite. Reach through said bite, grabbing the extension of your running end and now having the tag end, run that through your bite. Now grab the running end that leads to the stick, pull it tight, and you have just made the most complicated explanation of making a bowline knot possible. And so the second to last thing you're going to need is a tree. Pass your cordage that you've set up around said tree, leading it back to the front where you connect the stick. Okay, this part's super fun. Take the stick, pass it through the bowline knot that you've made on the other end, pull it tight, you've created a loop that will hang down this stick, which operates as a hanger that you pass through the top handle of your backpack. And let it dangle. Keeps it away from parasitic forest nymphs, grubby little gnome fingers, and all other manner of ethereal forest creatures. And hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click notify.